today, Bruce?
We're changing out this phony blue coil for the real McCoy.
The phony blue coil. Why is it phony?
Well, it has no markings on it at all. None whatsoever. And the original equipment stuff, see that? That's supposed to be connected right there. So that's way too loose. And then it's hard to see, but the boot for my high tension line, the boot up here is just so stretched, so tight. I hope I can get it off now. Well, I'm going to pull the coil first anyway here. So that'll be easier for me to work on. Okay, so my primary lead's done. I'll pull this guy off here first. Okay, so I've got no markings whatsoever on this. Nothing at all, anywhere on it. Most interesting. This is a nice bracket though. So, there's that. Another thing too, they only marked positive and negative. I'm going to show you the new Bosch coil. Historically, they put numbers on these too.
Okay.
And so here's our new Bosch coil. The blue coil. These originally all came with black coils back in the day, which took 12 volts and turned it into about 16,000. But the blue coil takes that 12 volts and turns it into about 26,000 volts. So the pulse fire really, really nice. Okay, well, first of all, we have markings. We have markings on the top, stampings. I'll turn it over here. We have a big difference in brackets and where the bracket is located on the coil. And let's get here. Let me get the bottoms here for you and compare your bottoms. Okay, so the Bosch has on this one, not only does it have the positive side, it says, you can see that number 15. That's the terminal. Terminal 15 is through the ignition switch. Here's terminal 1. This is where the primary lead goes to, so this is where your 12 volts go into. This is your high tension. This is where the 26,000 volts come out of, and you can see the difference in the diameters of these little guys right there, hopefully. And it appears, too, that the coil itself is a tad shorter than the wannabe. Yeah, look at it overall. I mean, this guy is so much longer, and yeah, so for peace of mind and time period original equipment, we go with the Bosch. Sehr gut, ja. That's perfect. Oh, sorry. Yeah, it's perfect. It's just slide right on. Now you gotta sorry. You gotta mess with terminals here. And here's, if anything else, you got that. That's the Bosch insignia on all their products. It's just a little pictorial logo of theirs.
All right.
Okay, so let's see. I'm gonna still need that anyway. So let's see. Right now, I'm gonna do this bracket right. This. Actually, VW put it such that you don't even have to take these out. because you have open brackets. And historically, I also think this was a 10 millimeter bolt nut. It wasn't a screw.
All right.
You have that in there? Okay, yeah. So we can
Okay, we're
clamp
back
down.
on track, folks.
Clamp down the guy now.
All right.
Oh yeah, look
How
at
pretty.
look at that. Nonsense. Oh,
Whoa.
like I said, this originally had 10 millimeter bolts, but I'm liking the screw here. That's what I'm saying with this. Especially right here. It'd be a little bit of a bear to get a wrench in here. That bit, and right here I can swing it out here.
Okay.
And there we go.
Okay.
And that's that. All right. So, what took me hours earlier was nothing more than getting this guy down. Oh yeah. Oh, that's beautiful.
You know, that just went on.
Yeah, it just went on. I didn't spend in 20 minutes to get this boot on. And I need you, Mr. Green guy. And now we have our option where do we like to plug it. In the old days, I used to take this and I'd plug it all the way in back. And it left me these two for any kind of an option that I wanted to run 12 volts straight off of. A timing light or anything like that. But for right now, we'll just do it the VW mechanic way. Actually, do it on the side. Oh yeah, there we go. Oh, I like that. It's nice. Nice.
All right.
So we are. And what comes over from the harness will go on this side. And down here, we have an oil switch, electrical connection right here. We got a couple connections here. The choke's going to connect from here, and actually that's a wire that just runs from here over to here. This connection right there. Okay.
All right.
And so that's basically it for a coil installation. They're that simple.
And what to look for in finding an original.
Oh, again, you're going to have your identification.
Yeah.
2 stickers. You're going to have stamping here on the end. I don't even know exactly what all this means. And on down here on the end, not only with a positive and negative, you're going to have numbers 1 and 15 on an original Bosch, because those are VW terminal numbers, electrical numbers.
Okay. Alrighty.
There you have it. Happy farfig digging. Meet.